Here's the painting from yesterday. Look at that glitter. It's definitely showing up. And call me crazy, but I've saved the leftover paint from that pour and I'm about to use it in today's painting. Plus, I'm giving the pre-mix paints one more chance. This could get interesting. Day 2 of 30 paintings in 30 days. Let's go. Today is day 2 of 30 paintings in 30 days, and I'm giving these pre-mixed paints another chance. The last time I used them, they did not cooperate with me. But maybe it was the technique I was using and not the paint itself. So today we're trying something different. For the split cup, I've got orange and yellow and that glitter paint from yesterday. And call me crazy, but I am also using the leftover red and black paint from yesterday. I'm going to use it in a flip cup and then I'm going to pour the split cup around it. As it's been sitting in a cup for a day, I don't expect it to flow as freely as the other paints, but we'll see. Little bubbles in it, so let's torch it, the little bubbles that we do have. And now let's do our split cup around it. I think instead of tilting, let's see if we can put it on the spinner and see what we get with the spinner. Let's see. The yellow is really coming through. All right, we're gonna tilt. Okay, let's see if we can fix this with what's left in the split cup. Well, not bad. Not bad. Interesting. It's giving Halloween. We're getting purple, even though there was no purple in the paint. But when the paints mix, you get your different colors. The thing about the ready mixed paint is that it looks good when you first pour it, but it doesn't dry down, at least the brand that I'm using today. It looks good when I first paint it, but it does something different when it dries down. So let's go in for a close-up. It's giving me Halloween vibes. I like the way the red and the black somehow turned to purple. Well, that was fun. Day 2 of 30 paintings in 30 days is complete. Let me know in the comments, are you getting Halloween vibes from the painting? Or do you see something different? I'm LaJoy with The Color Office, and I am working my way to 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy these paintings, please subscribe to see all 30 paintings and help me reach my goal. Come back tomorrow to see how this painting dries down. Stay colorful.